Miv is happy as ever, y'all. He just got the... What you got, Miv? Tell the people what you got.
I bought that DJI NEO Drone, you feel me? So now I can film every day. Okay. Hey, don't nothing come to a sleeper but a dream.
Okay.
I had to make that happen.
Okay. So, tell the people how the content about to expand with that drone. What you plan on doing with that, man? Damn.
Bruh. Basically, the problem was I couldn't film myself. Like, I didn't like the way it looked with me just holding the camera. And, you know, I needed something that was going to follow me and all of that. So, they came out with the DJI NEO Drone, and I'm like, you know, that looked like something that's going to help me. And after watching the videos about it, seeing the research, seeing the camera quality, all of that, it was perfect.
So you
perfect. So I had to go ahead and make that purchase. You know what I'm saying? Invest in myself a little bit more. And they get here on Monday, so y'all going to be seeing me with that.
Okay. It's funny because I'm thinking about getting it too when I go for my walks. I be trying to use my camera, but I'm not trying to hold the camera.
Oh, that'd be perfect. Like the drone just walk right in front of you. Like you could just walk towards the drone. That'd be perfect.
And the drone just keep backing up as you walk?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I might have to get that. I'm thinking I might have to get that.
Yes. You can do content any way you want to.
Now, that's what I'm saying. Do the camera stay in front? Okay. Like, let's say I got the DJI camera on me and I'm walking inside the house.
Yes, it will stay in front of you.
But you will have to adjust it to let it know, like, don't go too high. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
you could adjust it. You could put it at eye level.
Yeah.
You could put it at eye level, and it'll just keep, you know what I'm saying, going backwards as you go forward.
Oh.
I said go backwards as you,
Yo, you been tripping lately. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting that. They actually got it in stores. I'm about to go me and Journey, I'm about to pick her up from school. We about to go look at that.
Yeah, you need that.
You thought that?
Or I know it.
They got it at Target.
That's needed.
I'm about to go see right now. Oh, it say out of stock. DJI NEO combo. No, not Orchard Park.
They probably ain't gonna have it in the store right now. I had to order it.
Look up.
And it gets here on Monday.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I was about to
tell I'll go to Atlanta and film.
Yeah. Out of stock. Oh, they got 2 in Webster.
Yes.
Next closest in stock.
Didn't have any in store here.
Yes. When yours get there?
Monday.
DJI NEO. Let me see. Target pickup today. That's the alarm. Okay.
You need the backup batteries though, because it only got 18 minutes of flight time. So I got 3 backup batteries that came with it. So
you got
about an hour.
You gotta keep changing the battery?
It's gonna die, and they said 18 to 20 minutes.
I mean, each video I need is gonna be 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying though. But like, you know, just in case it died, you want to have and it got the portable charger with it, so you just swap the battery out, put the other battery in the charger, and you feel me?
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah, I'm looking it up. I'm trying to see if we could go see one. They got one in store.
I had to, cause I ain't gonna hold you. I had to buy that.
It shoot 4K, right?
Yeah. 4K 30. I wanted it to stay in 4K 24, but it's all good. That's great. Now that's fire. We about to actually go check that out. Y'all coming to Target with us. We about to go check that out when we pick Journey up from school. Target trying to get right with the NEO. About to see what it's looking like. They got a drone Miv want in the store, so I said I'm calling them.
He gonna be happy as hell.
Do you still have your blueies on? Huh? Do you still have your bluey bubble bag and stuff?
Cuz.
Hi.
Yo, cuz. They got the drone.
Yeah. Where at Target?
Yeah.
You know, just call me. Let me know
Nuh-uh.
when you gonna call
Okay.
me. Call me on your iPad too.
Let me see.
Call my bluff.
Alright, Auntie Jalisa love you. I'll talk to you later, okay? Alright.
And I got the 289. They got the backup batteries and all that, don't it?
I don't know. It don't say. Okay. Yeah, we in
That's it,
Target.
dude.
I don't know. It just say DJI NEO. I think if it had all that on this one, it would have said like creator pack or something.
It's got to if it's 289 because the drone only costs 199.
Oh, it do say combo. I'm blind. Combo bundle.
Yeah.
And you
facts.
paid $350?
I paid $350.
Damn. Well, yeah, this shit
What's
hard.
that?
He don't really got much info on that shit though.
You tell.
I asked the guy about it. He don't really know much about it. Yeah, he don't really know much about it. Huh?
I said up there for real.
I can't hear you.
I never do for real up there. That's why I watch the YouTube video. I watch people using the drone. You know what I'm saying? See the footage from the drone, all of that. That's what made me just say, I'm going to pull the trigger on it.
I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on it. I'm thinking about pulling the
I
trigger.
literally don't need, I literally don't need nobody. Like, that was my only issue.
You needed somebody to help you record?
Yeah. That was my biggest issue. And that's why I can't stay consistent on my you know, my giving the food away videos.
Yeah.
But now, shit, I could pretty much do I can go anywhere.
Right.
Have any conversation. I could, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not limited now. So,
Yeah.
it's up now.
Right. Yeah, so you sturdy then. Okay, baby, hold on. Yeah, you sturdy. This one right here, they got another one. I'm about to do more
Which
research
one
on
is
this. The DJI NEO. Oh, this is the one, NEO Combo. Rise and Shine. Palm, takeoff, and landing. All follow shots, quick shots. Light and portable. 4K Ultra. Minute.
Pictures, all of that. So you could tell it to take a picture, fly it, and then it take the picture, and then it fly right back to your hand.
Nuh-uh. Oh, they got the Osmo here too. The one I got.
Target be having that shit.
Huh?
Said Target be having that shit.
Yeah. 135 grams. That's light, bro.
That's extremely light. It fit in your pocket, cuz.
My chain weigh more than that. It come with a mic.
I didn't know if it was at Walmart.
It come with a mic.
just bought it there.
Or Target. Yeah. We thinking about grabbing this camera, y'all. Live happy as hell. I think I should just get it now if I'm gonna get it, but I feel like I can find it again in more stores. Me and Journey out.
I ain't talking about no picture, I got rich off Instagram. Her poet, I speak for the streets, you might not understand. I'ma tell you nothing before a lie, keep that shit a band. Fresh out the camera.